anything out of those notes? Okay, we now go on to item number 6, the tender contract TBC 1213-0635 Turangi Town Centre upgrade. Good afternoon, Mr. Clayton and Fraser.
Good afternoon, everyone. The report is as read here. We went out for tender for 3 contractors. 1 declined. We had 2 left. Higgins and Fulton Hogan. Higgins' price was the most competitive, however, above the total amount of 400,000 that was allocated to the project. Myself and Fraser reviewed the scope, took out 1 element of it, some gabion baskets, and I'm happy to say that we're now below the 40,000, including what we've allowed as a appropriate allowance for unforeseen work, and that the sum is as in the report. So, yeah, that's basically it.
Is there any questions from the councillors for either Fraser or? And we did have a discussion on that this morning, so have Councillor Williams.
Are the plans available in Turangi for the kata?
They, I believe there is a set there, but I think we need to make them more readily available for the community, and we'll do so well before the project starts. As the Christmas season is coming up, and we don't want to disturb the entrance into Turangi along Pianga Road, it is proposed that the work start on the 11th of February, and between now and then we'll make sure some of these full set of the layouts and details are posted in the council office in Turangi. Thank you.
I'll move the suggested resolution.
Okay, the suggested resolution is in 2 parts. Part 1 that we've just attended from Higgins Limited, submitted to the council contract TBC for the Turangi Town Centre upgrade for the sum of $313,918.88, excluding GST, accepting that his worship and the chief executive officer signed the contract documents and attached the common seal to them. And part 2, the allowance of $45,000 excluding GST be included for this project for any unforeseen work. We've got a mover by Councillor Kepper and a seconder by Councillor Munster. All those in favour? Aye. Those against? Carried. Thank you. Thank you, Andrew.